What if I told you the story of electricity started with a rock? 2,600 years ago, a Greek philosopher rubbed a piece of amber and noticed something weird. That man was Thales of Miletus. Around 600 BC, he discovered that rubbing amber could attract light objects, like feathers and dust. Fast forward 2,000 years to the year 1600. An English physician named William Gilbert finally gave this mystery a name. He coined the term electricus, from the Greek word for amber, and that is why we say electricity today. But the real drama started in 1752, when a crazy American flew a kite in a thunderstorm. Benjamin Franklin tied a metal key to a kite string and flew it during a lightning storm. He wanted to prove that lightning was electricity. The key sparked. His hand went numb. He didn't die, but he definitely got shocked. And that proved lightning and electricity were the same thing. Fun fact, Franklin probably didn't actually get struck by lightning. He was smart enough to stand under a shelter. But the experiment worked. Now, what if I told you the next breakthrough came from a frog leg? In 1780, Italian scientist Luigi Galvani touched a frog leg with a metal scalpel, and the leg kicked. He thought he discovered animal electricity, but his colleague Alessandro Volta disagreed. He said, "It's not the frog, it's the metals." And in 1800, Volta built the first battery. Volta stacked zinc and copper discs separated by saltwater-soaked cloth. It produced a steady electric current, the world's first battery. He called it the voltaic pile. But here's where it gets really exciting, because the next man would unlock the secret of how electricity and magnets are connected. In 1831, Michael Faraday, a bookbinder's apprentice with no formal education, discovered that moving a magnet through a coil of wire created electricity. This was electromagnetic induction, and it meant we could generate electricity on demand, not just from chemicals, but from motion. Every power plant today, coal, nuclear, wind, hydro, they all use Faraday's principle. Spin a magnet, make electricity, that's it. But we still couldn't light a room until 1879, when Thomas Edison spent over 3,000 experiments to create the first practical light bulb. Edison's bulb glowed for 15 hours, then 40, then over 1,200. He didn't just invent a bulb, he invented the future of light. But wait, there was a rival. Nikola Tesla believed in a different kind of current, alternating current, or AC, and thus began the war of currents. Edison pushed direct current, DC. Tesla championed alternating current, AC. DC was safe, but couldn't travel far. AC could travel hundreds of miles, but was considered dangerous. In the end, AC won, because Tesla's system could power entire cities. Today, every outlet in your house uses Tesla's AC current. Tesla changed the world. So let's recap. A Greek rubbed amber. Franklin flew a kite. Volta built a battery. Faraday discovered induction. Edison gave us light. Tesla gave us power. Electricity wasn't invented by one person. It was discovered piece by piece over 2,600 years. Each genius building on the last until the world was lit up. Next time you flip a switch, remember, you're using the result of thousands of years of curiosity, failure, and brilliance. Which inventor blew your mind the most? Franklin's kite, Tesla's AC, or Volta's battery? Drop a comment below, and don't forget to follow for more stories that light up your brain.